Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. It's Friday, July 30th. Shout out to my mama. Happy birthday, mama. I called her at like 7 o'clock this morning and sung her a beautiful rendition of happy birthday. So, yeah, I am just clocking out from work right now. And my hair is so dry that like I have to wash it. Like there's no way around it. It's not giving what it's supposed to have gave. So I'm about to hop in the shower real quick. I'm gonna use these Rhyme and Reason shampoo and conditioner and the leave-in that I picked up from Target. I don't really know if I want to do a whole video on that, so we're gonna try it out real quick, and I'm just gonna top it off with the 𝙿𝚑𝚎 gel. And yeah, let's keep our fingers crossed about this, and I'll let y'all know how this goes once I get out the shower and stuff. All right, I'll be back. So it's like 12:30. My hair isn't all the way dry. My hair always looks better in the mirrors at home than I feel like it does on camera or probably in person. But I'm at Target to pick up my contacts, and y'all, like, look at these shoes. Like, I wore these shoes and I realized that I need to pick up some other items, but I feel like I'm gonna break my neck in these shoes. But I gotta hurry up because I'm supposed to be going to lunch, and I don't know what time I'm supposed to be going to lunch. I just know I'm going to lunch. So let me go in here, pick up a few items, and pray I don't break my neck. Okay, so it's literally 1:05. I picked up my 4 items and my contacts, and I'm back at home in less than 30 minutes. I'm about that life. Y'all, these vanilla 𝚘𝚘𝚡 are so good to me right now. So I just picked up some Gold Peak sweet tea. You know, that's bae. I picked up some cantaloupe, some orange juice, and some heavy cream because I'm gonna cook some grits in the morning. So yeah, let me get to straightening up a little bit, and I will come back eventually. Oh, y'all, the receptionist at the little eye doctor said my hair looks good, so it must look good in person. It's still a little wet in some places, but y'all, like, in all honesty, that Rhyme and Reason felt like a dupe for the 𝙵𝚘𝚎 mango and cherry. Like, for real, the way the shampoo cleansed my hair and the way the conditioner like put the moisture back in, and how soft my hair was when I rinsed it out and I just stayed in the shower, y'all, it was good. Like, look at these results. Y'all saw what my hair looks like. And then of course I just used the 𝙿𝚑𝚎 gel on top of it, and I didn't stretch it. Like, I haven't stretched my hair. I didn't have time because I think I got cut off, but that's besides the fact. So I started straightening up and cleaning up or whatever, and I decided to do a quick little unboxing before I go get something to eat. So I don't know if I told y'all, but I'm about to put some faux locks in my hair. So I got some new hair. It's the Free Tress Braid Pre-Fluffed Perfect for Twist Locks and Crochet. And this is, I feel like it's 20 inches. Does it say on here? Oh, 16. Because like, I don't want them super long, but I want them to be like kind of long, but not like to my butt or anything. So I got 3 packs of the T27, the T30, the 1B130. I mean, the 1B, y'all know what I mean. The T30 was sold out, so I had to get T27. And so it's been so long since I did like faux locks on my hair, not goddess locks, just regular faux locks. I am anxious to see how this goes. And I got 3 packs of 1B hair. So that will be my project for next week. That's also letting y'all know that, you know, it's gonna be a little bit of hair content for August, but it's gonna be a lot of other content. So just go ahead and heads up on that. Next up though, I got a package from Ancient Cosmetics. I ordered some stuff. They were having like this really good sale. I ain't never tried it. My friend Lisa and my bestie Tanessa always be talking about it. So I was like, let me see what this is all about. So I got the Sweet Almond and Black Seed Oil Body Wash. I didn't go too crazy. I just got a few things. And then I got a Healthy Glow Turmeric and Lemon Body Scrub. Oh, this body butter is mad small. It feels so lightweight. This is what I'm most excited about. Oh, it's super whipped. Oh, so I got the Toasted Marshmallow Jojoba Oil Body Butter. I'm all about body butters, y'all. Like, I've just gone body butter crazy. I have a empties video that I'm doing soon too. And then I have this Tropical Pineapple Lip Scrub. Ooh, I'm about to use this now because I feel like my lips are ashy. Oh, I'm excited. So yeah, that is all that I have purchased this week. I will definitely let y'all know how I feel about these Ancient Cosmetics products because I ain't never tried them. Y'all, I had to cover my hair up because my wash and go was looking too good. Oh, there's Fred. Was looking too good to be sweated out trying to clean that bathtub and stuff. But I'm gonna go stretch my hair and go get something to eat, and then I'll check back in with y'all later. So it's Saturday afternoon. It's like 12:30 and I just finished working. Like I've been up since like 6:30 and I started work at 7:30. But y'all, I was up until 2:30 last night watching like chiropractic videos on IG. Like just watching people get their necks cracked and like their backs. And like, I want to go to the chiropractor so bad, but like, I literally scrolled for a good like 40-45 minutes watching those videos. Like I didn't know I was getting up to work this morning. Like, what is wrong with me? So I just ordered me a large pizza from Papa John's. I'm about to go pick that up and I'm gonna try my best not to catch the itis. I've been saying for like 2 weeks that I was taking these nails off, and like I've decided that I'm going to binge watch Dr. Death and take my nails off today. It's definitely happening. Like, hold me to it. I'm hungry though. Let me go get this pizza. So just to kind of pop in and update you guys on my day. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 6:19 p.m.
It is 6:19 p.m. The nails are gone. Guess how long it took me to take them off? 3 hours. Like, I've literally been sitting here. I've watched like 3-4 episodes of Manifest. I'm invested, and like I just need to do other things with my life today. But the nails are off. We're gonna do them tonight while I watch Love and Marriage Huntsville. Yes, and yeah, if any of y'all know how to remove like gel nails and acrylics in a quicker way, I would appreciate any tips or tricks, because I mean, yeah, I'm saving money by doing them at home, but who has 3 hours to waste just taking them off? Mind you, these 3 were already off. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna pull myself together. I did take a nap after I ate more than half of that pizza, but yeah, I'm gonna pull it together. I'll be back in a minute. Good morning, guys. So it's like 9:15 Sunday morning. It's August 1st, new month, new possibilities, right? Let's hope so. So I'm in the process of putting these nails on. Y'all know I am not a professional. This is the first time that I've ever done my nails like at home. And y'all, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. They're long. A lot longer than I expected them to be. But yeah, if we could just all pray that I don't hurt myself or my nails don't fall off, I would highly appreciate it. But look at how long they are. I was not expecting that. But as soon as I finish this, I'm gonna cook me some breakfast. And I really need to do some videos. Like, I haven't recorded anything in so long. I gotta pull it together. So that's the plan for today. Eat breakfast, record, have a video ready for tomorrow so we can start August on a good foot and kind of keep it going. So yeah, I'll probably sit down and like write out some goals. And y'all, this was supposed to be day one of me getting up at 5:30 and reading and getting my life together, right? Did not happen. I woke up at 6. I've definitely been awake since 6, but I wallowed in my bed until like 8:30. Yeah, super productive of me, right? Like, I wanted to have this done by 7 o'clock this morning. So we'll see how the rest of my day goes, but I've got to shake this fatigue and lazy spirit that I've had. So yeah, I'm going to go back to doing my nails and watching Manifest, and I'll let you guys see the final outlook. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this on up. These are the final nails. Pinky already missing, some of them crooked, but I did it myself. So we'll see how this goes. And I forgot to buy a top coat, so I'm gonna have to go out and get that. But first try, not so bad. I'm not mad at it. Also, I just tried those ancient cosmetic products out. I'm a little iffy about the body wash right now. That body scrub was thick, like the granules. I don't know if it was sugar, I didn't taste it, but definitely really great for exfoliating. And even though it's like lemon and turmeric, you don't smell the turmeric at all. So I'm excited to try that out. But that body butter, you know how I thought it was lightweight and I was like, oh, this is small, this is whipped. That thing is thick, okay? Like, you have to warm that baby up and spread it. Like, I am over here like shining, 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 yeah. But yeah, and it smells so good. Like, fall come around, I'ma be scrum-diddly-umptious, you hear me? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really just gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with the rest of my day. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Have a wonderful day, week, month, whenever, whatever, and I will see you guys in the next one.